Hello there and welcome back to my channel Chefish. Today you and I are going to make shakshuka, which literally translates to all mixed up. This simple recipe is really easy to make. It's great for breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch, whatever you want. Please like and subscribe. Check out my Facebook and my Instagram for more content, and make sure to check out the other recipes on my YouTube channel. Okay, ingredients: tomato paste, garlic powder, cumin, chicken consomme, paprika, black pepper, salt. I have a quarter cup of water, 5 eggs up to 8. I have bell pepper. I have herbs, your choice. I have chilies, spicy ones. I have garlic, onion, and then peeled and seeded tomatoes. And I'm gonna show you how to peel and seed them now. We're gonna start with a boiling pot of water. Doesn't need to be big, a small one is fine. And then an ice bath. We're gonna grab one tomato at a time. We're gonna cut a little X, just slits, nothing too deep. And we're gonna slowly drop it into the water. What's gonna happen is it's gonna start releasing the peel of the tomato. And once we see the peel of the tomato start to come up a bit, we're going to remove it from the boiling water and we're going to place it in our ice bath, which is just a bowl with water and ice. Essentially, that's going to stop the tomato from cooking, and it's going to keep it as fresh as possible. So just do this one at a time, slowly, don't burn yourself. And then once you have them all peeled, you're going to de-seed them. Okay, that's just removing the seeds, the middle part of the tomato. And then you're just going to end up with the tomato meat, essentially. So you're going to dice that up, put that to the side. Now we're going to start building our sauce. Our sauce is pretty simple. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of olive oil or regular oil, whatever you like. Add the onions, saute them for a few minutes, and then add your chilies. The reason why I don't add the garlic yet is because I don't want it to burn. Also, I want to get as much flavor out of the chilies as possible. Now I've added my garlic. I am going to add my bell peppers. We're going to let this sweat a bit until they're somewhat softened. Then we're going to grab our tomato paste. Quick tomato paste PSA. I'm using tomato paste because tomato paste allows you to get that really rich tomato flavor without needing to cook your tomatoes for 3 hours. So that's what I do for you guys. I save you time, so when you're in the kitchen and you're making shakshuka for everybody, you can do it really quickly. So now that that's out of the way, we're going to cook out our tomato paste. We're going to add a pinch of sugar, which will take away some of that acidity. And then we're going to add our peeled and seeded tomatoes. We're going to add about a quarter cup of water. Okay, and then we're going to bring everything to a boil. We're going to start seasoning: salt, pepper, paprika, cumin, garlic powder, consomme. Mix it all up, cover the whole pan, and let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, grab herbs of your choice. I'm using parsley and cilantro. Use whatever herbs you like. Add those, mix it in, and then bring it back to a boil. Once it's bubbling, start creating little divots in the sauce and crack your eggs in. Okay, I'm going to go with 5. You can go up to 8 here. Make sure that the eggs are somewhat submerged, and make sure to add a bit of salt. The submerged eggs will allow it to cook more evenly. As you can see here, they're not sticking out. They're not on the top of the sauce. They're kind of submerged in. You're poaching the eggs. So that's very important. Now I'm going to serve it. I'm going to put it on a piece of bread. You can use pita. You can use whatever you want. And that's it. So really simple, really easy, great brunch, great lunch. Make sure to check out all my other content, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Okay, bye.